Hello, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to hang a triptych picture set that you've ever seen in your life. Just watch how easy this is. I'm using this little piece of wood as a spacer, but take your first image, put your level on top, make sure it's level, press. Second one, use the spacer, make sure it's level with the next one. Third one, make sure it's spaced and level, and press. That's how simple it is. Now the trick how that worked is on the back I'm using blink picture hangers. These things are the fastest, easiest picture hangers you've ever seen because of that. See right there? That little anchoring pin? That's what lets it stick to the wall, but not only does it let it stick to the wall to see where you want it, that pokes a hole and that shows you where to put your nail. So now it's marked for you, there's no more measuring, no more guessing, you just put your nails in the holes and hang it where you want. Watch how fast it is. Now you're noticing how far down this other nail is? I'll show you why. There it is. Hung that fast, that simple. You saw that in real time. No faking, no guessing. And it's hung straight, it's hung spaced evenly. And the best part about blinks is that it doesn't matter where you put them on the frame. See how off these are? Now, no one would be that bad. But even if you put them off this bad, it doesn't matter. As long as you make sure it's level when you mark it, it'll be level when you hang it. So it takes away all guesswork and all prayers and measuring. And you just hang the picture wherever you want. And once they're on the wall, they're hung at 2 points. Never going to tilt or shift. Never. Now, if you ever use these, that's on here also, this sawtooth picture hanger, it's going to tilt, it's going to shift. Wherever you want to hang, you got to measure down here and guess. Horrible. And what's even worse is if you ever had these. Forget about it. That's you're never going to get it straight. You're going to take forever. You're just going to get frustrated. So just use blink picture hangers. Put them on, and you hang your pictures in the blink of an eye. That's why we say we take the anger out of hanger. Now, we're doing a special offer. If you click the link below, we will send you a 24-pack of blink. Now what you have in here is 24 hangers, which lets you hang 12 pictures. And it comes with everything you need. The nails, the screws, even has a little level in there to make sure they're level every single time. So it's everything you need. So just click the link. It's going to be 20% off the normal retail price. And let me know what you think. Thanks.